And we're back, fellow knife enthusiasts, with another knife review. This week we're going to do the Spyderco Endela. It is a folding knife. It was designed to be between the Endura and the Delica. So it's a mid-range, lightweight model. We'll go over the specs on this knife. It is 8.1 inches overall. The blade length is 3.41. It has the trademarked and iconic Spyderco thumb hole there. Blade thickness comes in at 0.11. Blade material on this is VG10. It is made in Japan. It's fully serrated. Satin finish, drop point blade. The handle length is pretty long, about 4.7. Weight is 3.1 ounces. Of course, it's a manual, lockback. Right hand or left hand. So the pocket clip is four-way reversible. So you can go tip up or tip down both sides. This I mentioned this was made in Japan. And it weighs in at 3 ounces. Of course, it's a Spyderco, so we will show you how it cuts. I'm sure it will do extremely well. We have some jute here. We'll just give it a little cut. Bring the tip to it. Oops, slipped out of my hand. Cuts right through. Use some paracord here. Slices right through it. Even on the tip. My favorite part. We'll bring it on some cardboard. And of course I have to be a little careful here. I don't want to cut my board. Because we all know that it will do that. So obviously you can tell it's going to cut well. We'll use it for some stabbing. You can see there, it cuts right through. With accuracy, of course, easy to control. So a little more about the this knife here. I'm sure we mentioned that the pocket clip is reversible in each direction. It has the FRN handle. This one only comes in black, but it does come in plain blade also. It's $79.95 is the price on it. The steel on the blade is VG10. So you get a high quality steel and a nice Spyderco package. What you would expect for about 80 bucks. Not a bad deal. Especially if you're looking something, you're a Spyderco collector, or you're looking for something in between a Delica and an Endura. So, if you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife, like our post, and if you're watching us on YouTube, make sure you ring that bell. Subscribe to our channel. We do these 5-minute reviews pretty much daily. And we do a weekly show that I consider humorous. On that note, this is the Spyderco Endela serrated version. So that would be the 243 SBK. And I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.